So, our visitors go over to gate number 2, which has different rules to gate number 1. In gate number 1, both people need to have an ID card. So person A and person B need to both have an ID card. In this situation, let's run it through. So, let's imagine that they go up to the gate, the security guard says, "Can you give me your ID card?" Person A says, "No, I don't have one." Person B says, "I don't have one." So let's draw this out. You got person A, you got person B, if I'll do it this way, and you got the result. If person A does not have one, person B does not have one, the result is they can't go through to the White House. Now, let's imagine that person A has an ID card, but person B does not. The security guard will say this to them. Person A, you need an ID card, or person B, you need an ID card. One of you needs an ID card. If you've got an ID card, you both can go through. So person A, you have an ID card, but person B, you do not. That's fine, because one or the other. As long as one of you has it, you can go through. So in this case, person A has one. Person B doesn't have one. But the result is they both can go through. Yay, happy days. Alright, that was like an alien. There you go. Now, what happens if it's person A who doesn't have one, but person B does have one? Remember, it is one or the other. So as long as one of them's got the ID card, they can go through. So person A doesn't have one, person B does have one, they can go through. Now if they both have one, person A has one, or person B has one, so they both have one, so they can go through again. As long as one of them's got them. There you go. So, number 2 is called an OR gate. Number 1 was called an AND gate, where A had one and B has to have one for them to go through. For an OR gate, only one of them needs to have one. The final gate we're going to look at is called a NOT gate. So I'll write that here, a NOT gate. How that works is like this. It only allows one person through. That's one of the rules. It only allows one person to get into the White House. So let's imagine that is person A who we select. So person A comes up to the security guard. The security guard says, "Show me your pass, your ID card." Now, if person A has an ID card in a NOT gate, it's basically saying the reverse. So let me draw this out for you. A result. If he does have an ID card, this guy's a bit backwards, a bit confused. The security guard's going to say, "You're not allowed through." Huh? Yeah. So the NOT gate reverses the situation. So this guy goes up to the security guard, says, "Here's my ID ticket." The security guard will look at it and say, "You're not allowed through with an ID card. Go to the other 2 gates." Now let's imagine that he comes up to him without an ID card and says, "Hey, can you let me through?" The security guard will go, "Of course you can." So I haven't got an ID card. Result is I can get into the White House. So this one's slightly different. It's a bit more confusing. The NOT reverses the situation. So if you've got an ID card, it won't let you through. If you've got an ID, if you don't have an ID card, it will let you through. The next video will show you how this is used in computer science.